Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Mackenzie. I post videos weekly, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I have very exciting news because my jewelry line is finally out. This has been, I think, like a year's process, just because, I don't know, for me, I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to like putting things out there, like even videos and stuff like that. Like I have to love it to even put it out there. This has been such a long process for me to come up with the ideas, make the finishing touches. This is a kind of collaboration with Love Gems. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who they are just because they've had a lot of YouTubers make jewelry lines with them. Today I get to show you guys the jewelry. I'm so excited just because it's been so long, and I feel like you guys always comment about my jewelry. Putting something out there that you guys always like want to know about and what I love is such a huge thing for me. So I'm gonna sit down and explain it. Excuse like the messy room, but we're here for one reason. I'm gonna explain to you guys really quickly like the meaning behind the jewelry, why it's priced the way it is. I have 2 necklaces and 1 ring for you guys that I am very excited about. These both retail for $29 each. And listen, I tried to shoot for the best quality for the lowest price. So that's what this is. I kid you not, these are the best necklaces like that I can give you. The main necklace is called the You're My Sun, Moon, and Star necklace. I just think that's such a beautiful like quote, and I think it's like so meaningful because this jewelry is meant for you guys, and you guys are my sun, moon, and stars. As cheesy as that is, you guys are the reason why I'm here, and without you I would not be anything. I would not even be making this jewelry. It kind of just means that you guys like are the center of my universe. This choker is called the Constellation Choker because it is just a bunch of little stars, and I love necklaces like this because it is so dainty and so cute. I don't like statement necklaces. That's why I didn't create a statement necklace, even though like this moon is like somewhat, it's not big, but it's like the centerpiece of it all. It's not like, whoa, you're wearing a necklace kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? I have a ring, and the ring is called the solar ring. I kind of just decided to keep the theme with like stars, suns, and moons, and kind of like the whole astrological kind of vibe. But this is $21. It is really nice because it's adjustable, so you don't really have like a size ring for this. You can like kind of like stretch it to what you want it to be and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the kind of like reasoning behind the names, the like design and everything. I really hope you guys like this jewelry line. I would never put something out there that I don't absolutely love and absolutely admire. I put a lot of hard work into these jewelry pieces. So that's about it. I'm gonna take you guys along my like photo shoot for like announcing my jewelry line to Instagram and stuff like that. I'll have the link to the collection down below. Let me know if you guys buy it. If you guys tweet me, if you guys Instagram DM me like pictures of you like purchasing it, like I'll add it to my story, like all that fun stuff. I'll respond to you, and I really hope you guys like it as much as I love it. I love you guys, and this is dedicated to you guys. I wouldn't be anywhere without you, and I wouldn't even be making these jewelry pieces without you guys. So yes, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys like the collection. Remember, link is down below. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna pick up my little sister from school, and then we're gonna go ahead and go on a photo shoot just so I can like take pictures for these, you know what I'm saying? It's 3:02, so let's go ahead and get going. Healer. It's so windy, I'm not about it. Now I kind of want to do like candy kind of vibe. I don't know what I'm saying. I just have a vision and I want to fulfill it. So we're gonna go to a gas station and get like a lollipop or something like that. Sorry. You have one job.
Sorry. God dang.
I don't know where we want want to go for these?
You want to go back to the regular spot?
Yeah, because I want to like sit down. I'd be like sitting down and like
All three. Take it out. Take it out. You sound like Jeffree Star.
My tits came out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go home and edit these pictures, and then at the end of this video I'll kind of have like a little montage of all the pictures that I liked. But yeah, you can also head over to my Instagram to see which ones I posted. Wink wink. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the jewelry line. I'm very excited about it and very happy with it, and I couldn't be more proud. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well and love every piece like I do. Each one is like a baby of mine, so I'm really happy about them. Love you guys so much. Thank you again for everything and giving me the opportunity to even do this. I will see you guys later.